Hi everyone, this is chapter 6, interference. We actually seen interference before. In chapter 2, we talked about superposition of waves. We also talked about a standing wave, whether it's on a rope or on a standing sound wave. Both of these cases are part of the phenomenon known as interference. Now, interference is a fundamental property of waves, and in the 1800s, an interesting experiment was made in order to prove that light is also a wave. This experiment was made by a physicist named Thomas Young. And what Thomas Young did basically is he created a setup that looked a bit like this. He had a light source on the left over here that was pointing toward a board with a small hole in it. That hole was called a slit. All right. Now we will see in chapter 7 that when you have light that is being radiated upon a small slit, it will act as a point source. So a point source is just a word that we use to describe something that emits light in all directions. For example, a light bulb is a point source. So light will be emitted somewhat in all directions. Then there's going to be a second board. This board will have two holes in it. And the distance between the first hole and the two other will be identical. The reason we are doing this is because we want to create two light sources that has the same velocity, same frequency, are in phase, and have the same wavelength. So it's a clever way to take one light source and create two that are exactly identical at all points. Now, the reason why we want to do this is to show that there's some interference with the light. Now, obviously, the light moves really fast, and we can only perceive the light when it strikes our eyes or rebound from a surface, basically. So here, we need to add a screen, and we will observe on the screen what we call interference pattern. All right, so depending on the path taken from each photon, we will see that the interference pattern change whether you increase the distance, change the distance between the two slits. There's many variables at play here. So in the next video, we are going to describe the mathematical expression to predict what will be the interference pattern we will see here and how Thomas Young was able to prove that light is indeed a wave. All right, so see you in the next video.